Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the integrated terminal and the settings JSON so you can change values directly. Once done, you will target the terminal color keys under Workbench and Terminal. Integrated. Make sure to have your preferred shell active so color sequences match what you expect. If you want extra palettes, install a color or theme extension now. Otherwise, you can edit color values directly. This step gets you into the configuration where the actual color mapping happens. You should now edit terminal color keys, add terminal, integrated, ANSI colors for ANSI 015 or use Workbench, color customizations to override terminal, background terminal, foreground, cursor, and selection. For each color, use hex codes like #1E1E1E so results are predictable. Once you save the JSON, Vscode applies colors instantly, so check the terminal to verify. If a theme later resets colors, lock your customizations in settings. JSON to persist them. Finish by testing color output with commands that emit ANSI codes. You will see whether your ANSI colors map and background contrast match. If changes do not appear, make sure the active theme or an extension is not overriding Workbench. Color customizations, disable or reorder extensions, then reload the window. Also confirm the shell sends color codes, some remote or login shells strip sequences. If things still fail, remove your overrides to revert, then reintroduce them step by step to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.